Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure QuickBooks Online automations for invoice reminders, full guide step by step clearly. To configure QuickBooks Online automations for invoice reminders, begin by navigate to the gear icon in the upper right corner to access the settings menu. From the drop-down, select Account and Settings. In the settings menu, click on the Sales tab on the left side of the screen. Scroll down to the Reminders section. Enable the option for invoice reminders by toggling the switch to on. Next, click on Customize to personalize your reminder settings. Choose the frequency of the reminders, such as 1 day before due or 1 week after due. Decide whether you want to send reminders to customers who have partially paid. In the message section, customize the text that will be included in your reminder emails. Make sure your message is clear and professional. Once you are satisfied with your settings, click Save to apply the changes. Next, navigate back to the dashboard to test your invoice reminders. Create a test invoice for a customer and set a due date for the upcoming week. After creating the invoice, wait for the scheduled time to see if the reminder is sent. If the reminder is delivered successfully, your automations are configured correctly. For any adjustments, revisit the Reminders section in the Sales tab to fine-tune your settings as needed. With these steps, you can ensure timely reminders are sent, improving cash flow and customer communication. Make sure to regularly review your reminder settings to adapt to any changes in your business needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.